Okay, today we're going to be drawing a hammer that is smiling at you. We're just going to start out with some basic shapes, drawing very lightly with our pencil. We just did the base. I'm going to draw a couple of circles here on top of this line. We're basically creating a cylinder right here. And we're just going to draw another square here, which is going to be the base between the top of the hammer and the handle. And we're going to draw those nice little claws that go on the back of a hammer. Just very simple shapes right here. Very lightly with your pencil. Remember, you're just creating a guide for when you go to fill in with the ink. Same thing here, we're just drawing a little cylinder. Now we're going to just draw another circle, which is going to be the base. And another larger circle here. We'll connect those with some lines. And like I say, we're not going to ink over all of this. This is just building a foundation for your cartoon. Drawing a couple of eyes. And we'll give them that big smile. Little lower lip there. Okay, then we're going to ink him in. We're going to start off with the striking part of the hammer. Just fill in where we did that circle and the connecting lines. Very good. And just part of that one cylinder we've got connecting to the base. There we go. We're going to fill in this cylinder that we did. And we're not going to ink it all in. We're just going to get the parts that we want to look at, obviously. That part that connects this to the handle. And we'll do the little claws in the back now. Very good. That is starting to come together very nice. Let's get those eyes drawn. There we go. Let's get those eyelids put in there. Fill in the eyes. I always like to leave a little white space in the middle, give it a little reflection, give the eye a little bit of depth. And let's get this mouth going here. A nice big smile. Put the lower lip in. And let's give him some teeth. Fill that in. And we can just fill out the rest of the body here. There we go. We are almost there. Just put in a little bit of lines just to show some wood grain, like this is a wooden handle. And there you got it. You got a finished cartoon. Just get out those eraser lines and you are good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.